The Lego Icons Wildflower Bouquet building set is just simply amazing. Once put together, you get this beautiful Lego flower bouquet that you can display in just about any room of your house. The detail on these flowers are incredible, and the set comes with a really nice variety of different wildflowers. It was super fun to put together. It's one of my most favorite activities to do with my young son. Lego always provides nice, clear instructions that make it simple yet fun to put together. This set comes with 939 pieces, but it really didn't take us that long to piece all the flowers together. Plus, I got to arrange it nicely in a fun decorative vase once we had built all the flowers. I love this Lego flower bouquet because not only is it beautiful, but I get to display it in my favorite spot at home, set it and forget it. No need to water or take care of this bouquet, and I smile real big every time I see it.